How you been feeling?
Good.
Better?
Yeah, better since coming here.
Good. Drop these arms to the floor. There you go. We're gonna bring these arms right here. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Relax. Awesome. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Deep breath in. Hold your breath. Good. Let the shoulder drop. Amazing.
Good cry.
Oh yeah. Deep breath in. Oh yeah. Let that shoulder drop. You're so much more relaxed now since the first day you came in.
Right.
Okay, lay on this right side. Straighten this leg, bend this one. Right here. Hold this arm right here. Perfect. Relax that head. Awesome. No, that's the best. There you go. Relax that shoulder. Awesome. On your back. That head drop for me. Good. Let it go.
Lord.
Awesome. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Let that shoulder drop. Good.
Some good pops.
Heck yeah. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Alright. Let it go. Good. Make it a little taller.
Right.
Let that hip drop. There you go. Yeah. Alright, come on.
Which is alright with me.
You're pretty much done anyways, right?
Yeah.
Drop these arms to the floor. There you go. Deep breath in. Exhale. Deep breath in. Hold it out. Deep breath in. Hold your breath. Let this shoulder drop to the floor. Exhale all the way out. You're moving a lot better.
Yeah.
Slide down. More that right side that's getting you, right?
It was the left side, but this was a lot better than the first real.
Right there.
Oh,
And then over that next week or so, it starts to settle out. So this one I'm gonna do a quick pull. It's gonna traction. Okay, so I'm gonna have my other hand right here. So deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Let that head drop into my hand. There you go. Give yourself a big hug. Exhale all the way out. Let that shoulder drop. Yeah, because you can actually see how much better that's all moving now.
yeah.
We're getting there. Yeah, let that shoulder drop. Awesome.
Kind of sideways, and I've been having the upper shoulder pain on both sides, a little bit of lower back pain down, but mostly up here. Hopefully we can get it adjusted.
Ah, we gotta go.
All right, let's do it, Kyle. Face down for me.
Alright, let's do it. What else has been going on, man? Staying busy?
Yeah, I'm trying to rework and sell a lot of positions, man. You know what? All my positions, every position for real. I'm trying to.
Liquidate.
Yep, cause I want to get ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a lot of garbage.
Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Relax that mid back for me. Yeah. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Let it go. Yeah.
Oh, that was good.
Deep breath in. Hold your breath. Hold it. Slide down just a little bit towards your feet, Kyle. There you go. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Let that shoulder drop.
Oh, that was good.
Deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh man, did you hear that?
Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna get Get right into this glute right here. On this side, face me over here. And this leg. Bring you closer right over here. Pull this arm right here. Bring that head back. Relax that arm. Ooh, you are tight today, man. Relax that shoulder. There you go. Other side. That's feel like an old person. Right in the middle. There you go.
Oh, man. I definitely needed this.
And make you young again. That's what happens as time goes on, right?
Yeah, it does. It just proves that this is necessary. It needs to be weekly.
Tell the VA.
Man, I have told them, sent letters, I sent smoke signals. Man.
Care packages,
Yeah,
everything.
yeah. I said, maybe take them some donuts and coffee and ask them again.
We did that one year. We took donuts to all the VAs.
That, you know what? That's a good strategy.
Relax that for me.
Oh, that's. I don't even think I need nothing else. Oh man. Man, you got both of those spots, man. I was talking about.
Relax that for me. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Let that drop. I got you. Slide down just a little bit, Kyle.
Down that way?
Yep. There you go. Good. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Let that shoulder relax.
Oh! It felt like I never have did this before, boy. Oh, man.
It's been that long.
Yeah, it has.
All the way out.
Oh.
Good. Alright, let's get this stretched out. You good right there. I'm gonna stretch this
Okay.
out. Relax this leg.
Oh, man.
Push your foot into me. Push, push. And relax.
Oh.
Push into me. Push, push, push. And let go. Bend this leg. Push, push, push. And then relax. Push up. And let go. Right through here. Push your leg in. And let go. One more time, push. And let go. Go.
Oh.
Get these feet in as well, Kyle. There you go. Okay, come on up. I'm gonna get your hands and wrists real quick too. Move that neck around, see how that feels.
Man, I feel like a new person. Oh, man.
Relax that. Alright, Kyle, stand up, move it around, see how that feels.
Man, you know what? I was completely stiff when I came here. I feel like blood is flowing through me again.
There you go.
Oh my God. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, you don't know, man. Oh man, you know what? Oh my gosh. That was fantastic.
Cool.
That
We'll
was
get you.
fantastic.
Oh. Deep breath in. Hold your breath in this one.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, you're up and about all day long. Because you're on your feet when you're teaching too, right?
And then coaching.
And then coaching right after.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. How's the knee doing?
It's getting better.
Yeah, doing playing at all?
No, not yet. I want to though.
Let's check this out right here.
Are you doing that lower back?
What's that?
Are you doing the lower back?
I'm going to. I'm just trying to
Ooh.
see right there. Going into that extension doesn't feel so good, does it?
It's weird because of the knee,
Yeah.
but I did feel something.
Let's get this loosened up right here first. Is it raining outside yet or no?
It was in my area. It's a little clear over here, but I don't know if it's gonna move this way.
Yeah. Where were you at before?
Carrollton.
Oh, okay.
Oh, because there's like clouds up above Carrollton and
Yeah.
Louisville area.
On this side. Other side for me.
Other side?
Yep. Tuck this in a little bit more.
Oh, I feel something like that.
Right in your glute.
Oh,
There you go.
what the first one?
A little bit more on this. Yeah, on your back. Relax the head. There you go.
Is it supposed to be tight like that?
It's not. It'll get loose.
Oh.
Slide down towards your feet just a little bit. There you go. Big hug. Let that shoulder drop.
Oh.
Put those on there. Let it go, let it go. Let me get these legs moving. Get it all stretched out. Bend right through here. Bend. Yep. There you go. Push into me as hard as you can. Push, push, push. And let it go. Relax, 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 relax. Push up. And let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. There you go.
Oh, no.
Push into me. And let it go. Push again. And let it go. Awesome. Swelling's gone down on that knee a lot too.
Has it?
Yeah, still a little bit, but not nowhere near.
Yeah,
push. And let it go. Let that hip drop. Bring that hand on your stomach. There you go. Push up. And let it go.
I'm not that strong there yet.
That's alright. Doing a lot better.
I'll take that.
Push. And let it go. Push again. And let it go. There you go. Exhale. Straighten this out. There you go. Deep breath in. Exhale.
Oh.
There you go. There you go. Get that other side.
That's sensitive.
It is. It's super tight through there. It's just also pulling on that low back.
That's not that bad.
This one's nowhere near what the other side is. Good. Alright, let's get this. Let it go for me. Relax that.
Good. There you go. Alright, come on up for me.
Alright, so actually what we're gonna do is we're gonna go face down for me. Go ahead and go face down, face right here, arms to the side. Alright, let's check this out. So your left leg is actually half an inch shorter today. Your hips are super rotated, girl.
Really?
Yeah. So like, I'm gonna over exaggerate it, but you're kind of like this right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring these arms right here. Slide down towards your feet just a tiny. That's perfect. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Relax that mid back for me. And deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Let it go. Deep breath in. This one, deep breath in. Hold your breath. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Let that left shoulder drop to the floor. Good. Deep breath in. I'm gonna pull this hair out right here. There we go. Deep all the way out. Let that go. Good. What else you been up to? Staying busy?
Yeah, I just did working out. Did yoga this morning.
Nice.
And you got a puppy.
Yeah, we just got a corgi puppy.
Oh, nice.
So
How big is it?
he's like a potato. He's so small. He's
So
like that's fine.
don't lose them.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I know.
Just from that helps even that out a lot, which is good. All right, on this side, face me over here. Yeah. Slide down this way just a bit. Perfect. We're gonna come right through here. I'm gonna pull you closer to me. I'm gonna pull this arm right here. There you go. All right, take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Beautiful. Other side for me. Here. I'm gonna move this elbow right here. There you go. Get elbowed in the face once or twice.
Oh,
Awesome.
far better.
Oh, yeah. Slide down just a tiny bit. Perfect. You working all weekend coming up?
Yeah. It's errands day. Running errands.
Those are always fun.
Mhm.
Run around everywhere.
Yeah.
And by the end of it, you're just like, okay, I'm done.
Right. And I felt bad leaving the puppy. I had like parent guilt.
That's okay. That'll be okay. Just take him
I
with
know
you.
he's fine. Yeah.
Get over parent guilt after a while.
I know. I'm like, I'm just leave. Like, how do people have like actual human babies?
I got 3 of them, so
Yeah, I know. I'm like, this is hard.
at least mine grew up and they can pee on their
That's
own.
true. Yeah.
2 out of diapers, 1
And
to
you
go.
can bring them with you.
Yeah.
Acceptable.
Eventually they get older and leave.
Yeah. Yep.
So you still got time before kids anyways.
Mm-hmm.
If you guys decide to do that, yeah. Here. Shoulder drop for me. Awesome. That's happiness right there. Let that drop. Slide down toward your feet just a little bit. Perfect. So feet high. Roll towards me. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Let that shoulder drop. Flip those arms the other way. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Alright, let's get these guys stretched out real quick. You go right here. Got one hand here, one right here. Push your foot into me. Push, push, push. And let it go. Awesome.
Oh, God, that one.
Push your knee up. And let it go. Good. One more time, push. And let it go. See how much that opens up that hip?
Mm-hmm.
It's
Yeah,
amazing.
my hips get really tight.
Push it in, push, 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 and relax. There you go. One more time, push. And push it in, and let it go. Good. Push it up, and let it go. This right side's tighter going out. This side's a lot better. Push in, push, 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 and relax. Yeah. Alright, now get these hips, but we're gonna go all the way up into those hips. That hip drop.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's so weird.
You'll feel that all the way up into that hip,
Yeah.
and it feels weird, but it loosens everything
Yeah.
up so much. One more corner, let that go.
Oh,
There you
goodness,
go.
yeah.
Okay. Go up. I'm actually gonna need your hands and wrists as
Yes.
well. And your elbows. Relax that for me. Good.
That one like stiffened up.
Where at?
Where you popped it
Like
up.
right through here?
Yeah, it like gets stiff sometimes.
Yeah. Because that muscle doesn't know what to do with how much that just released.
Mm-hmm.
Move that around, see how that feels.
Yeah.
Better?
Mm-hmm.
Relax that for me. These are fun rings. Good. Alright, go ahead and stand up, move it around, see how that feels. A lot better.
Yes.
Cool.
Better.
Cool. Well, thanks
Thank
for
you.
doing the video today.